Welcome back to Santa's workshop. Last week you saw how the elf labor shortage and customization of Christmas presents challenged us, but that we solved it with our MiRRY AMRs. Unfortunately, this week we are facing new challenges.
During the last couple of days, a serious situation has arisen here at Santa's workshop. The elf illness has arrived, and now many of the elves are sick. This illness is not very dangerous, but the sick elves are not able to work, and it decreases our chance to get the billions of Christmas gifts ready by Christmas, which is only 1 week away. We need to figure out a way to make our elves better fast while we protect the elves that are not ill. Maybe the mobile robots can help us. We have now decided to use the mobile robots to fight the elf illness. We use a mobile robot with a medicine cabinet to bring medicine for the elf infirmary. This way we can bring medicine to the elves in an efficient way, while we do not need to allocate staff for it. Also, the nurse elves can focus on the elf care instead of transporting medicine. Moreover, we have developed a mobile robot that drives around with sanitizer, reminding the elves to keep the hygiene, and it drives autonomously around the building non-stop. Finally, we have also added mobile robots with disinfection top units. They make sure to clean the facility several times a day, and they kill all bacteria and virus. I believe this solution kills 99.99999% of all bacteria. It's amazing.
We're super happy about the cleaning robot. We wouldn't be able to clean that efficiently ourselves. These new initiatives with mobile robots, making sure that the hygiene here is on top, enable us to focus on our work and to feel safe while we're here.
Elves are social creatures, and even though we know it's not fun for them, we know that social distancing is an effective way to fight elf illness. The MiRRY robots can help us facilitate social distancing here at Santa's workshop. Because they can take care of the interlogistics, we are able to keep the elves in smaller social groups that are not mixed. Hopefully this will only be for a short period of time, but it is for sure both the most productive and hygienic way when a MiRRY robot, for example, brings the toys from one production line to the next.
With the new mobile initiative, there's no doubt that the elves can stay productive and that they have new weapons against the elf illness. So we're starting to be very positive. Hopefully, we are ready for Christmas after all. But there's only 1 week left and we're busy also to make sure that all gifts are packed in Santa's sleigh on time. Stay tuned and see if we're ready on time for Christmas.